Namaste. I'm Shruti Vaidya. I'm a dietitian and a yoga therapist. He's my son, Yash Vaidya. He's 24 years now, but he's a born CP child, that is cerebral palsy. By birth, his muscles were extremely tight. So his basic overall development was very much delayed. But his physiotherapy started since he was 11 months old. And as a pediatric therapist, we found a very good therapist in our local area. But as he grew up, as an adult, I couldn't find a perfect physiotherapy center for him, because every physiotherapy center usually used traditional methods of therapy. And Yash was not very happy to continue with those monotonous kind of exercises. He always wanted to have some new exercises, because physiotherapy basically is a part of his life now. So we are very much aware that he is supposed to exercise every single day. Otherwise, his muscles tend to get spastic, and his routine activities also are harmed to a great extent. So we were looking out for a very good physiotherapy center, which we couldn't find locally. But once around in 2014, I came across a few videos of Dr. Ravi Badawat. So I tried to contact him, and we had a telephonic conversation, and we requested him to take Yash as his client. And finally we could manage to go to Hyderabad. We are basically from Kalyan, Mumbai. So during his school time ka vacation, we used to go to Hyderabad when and how it is possible. But that time, Dr. Ravi Badawat himself was taking his therapy. And but only because of his education, his school, college and everything, we couldn't continue with his regular sessions with Dr. Ravi. But he always wanted, he was very happy, and in fact he was not willing to come back from Hyderabad. So he always wanted to continue sessions with Dr. Ravi. And finally in 2022, we came to know that Dr. Ravi is coming up with a branch of Mission Walk in Pune. So we were very happy, and finally we decided to shift from Kalyan to Pune just for his therapy, because we, as I've told earlier, that physiotherapy is a part of his daily routine. So finally we also shifted to Pune, and his sessions are very much regular at Pune branch since 2022. And precisely, Yash is very happy with the sessions. He's been having a great journey of exercises since day one. The therapist, every physiotherapist over here is really very much professional, skilled and dedicated towards their work. So Yash has had a great time, and he is never even willing to miss a single day for his therapy. So because basically the exercises over here are very much unique, they're not traditional, and there is a variation in every exercise. The physiotherapists over here, they take your assessment, and they plan your routine according to every aspect of your development, every aspect of your progress. Every patient coming here is unique. As my son is unique, there are many other patients who come here with different kind of problems. So the therapists over here, they consider their problems and accordingly plan their sessions. So for every patient, I'm sure it's a great journey at Mission Walk. As Yash is enjoying his therapy, other patients definitely are enjoying their own therapies also. And there are great results also. Basically, when we came here, Yash was really very tight, very spastic. So once his therapy regular sessions started, there was a great difference in his spasticity. His spasticity has reduced to a large extent. He is able to balance. Basically, his static balance has come up, and now the therapists are working on his walking or a gait structure, dynamic balance. काफी सारी चीजें हैं where the therapists are really working hard. His therapist is really dedicated towards him. So it's like, if Yash is happy, we are happy with exercises, because you certainly, when you enter the center, there are positive vibes, due to which the patient himself or herself is inspired to do exercises. And definitely, if you do it with your own willing, then you also get definitely good results. So I wish Mission Walk a great journey ahead, and keep serving, keep helping people achieve their goal. Thank you very much, Mission Walk.